Oh man, the Divi experience. I don't know if it can be explained. First off, my name is Baley. I'm a coach. I came to this retreat to let go of a lot of anger and resentment towards my parents, and so going to see Divi, I I almost felt this chest pain, this back pain, the closer that she got to our place. And the day of, I had this huge load on my back, and she was randomly picking the first few people, and then she asked for somebody to volunteer, and even though she wasn't looking at me, I knew she was speaking to me, and I got up and I'm like, let's go. Sat down with her, and she was just asking me questions, and I'm already very self-aware of like what I needed to work on, so I was very direct, and I knew where I needed to go, and she just guided me and held the space, and she helped me get in touch with my inner child, which my inner child was very angry, just needed to let loose, let the anger out. And she grabbed one of the other members of the audience, and he came and held the space for me, and we just looked in each other's eyes and just started yelling and swearing, and it was such a magical experience, and got to the point where I let out all this anger that I just broke down and cried. I cried, and I just let all this emotion out that I've been building up for so long that has affected my self-worth. And so Divi, she's this like magical being that just pulls the shit out of you. She pulls the trauma out of you, the pain, the suffering, like whatever you're going through, and she just fills it with love and care and nurture. And it's such a profound experience. And I just feel after the experience, my back, no more pain in my back, no more sharp pains in my chest. I feel light. I feel loved. I feel like I love myself. This whole trip, I haven't had any self-critical thoughts. So the Divi experience is something that I highly recommend. Everybody does. She's an amazing healer. Biggest takeaway is, get in touch with your inner self, and the experience with Divi does that. Yeah.